Okay, this little video is if you need some assistance completing this independent assignment. First question, what does doler mean? And you'll have to insert some text boxes to answer these questions. The verb doler, an ER verb, also a stem changer, ODUE, means to have pain. Doler, to have pain. What other verbs are going to function like this one? The second question, that would be gustar, to like or to be pleasing to, interesar, to interest, or aburrir, to bore. So what pieces do you need to complete this diagram? Well, over here you need the indirect object pronouns. Those are me, te, le, nos, os, and les. Again, that's me, te, so you can see the spellings, le, nos, because it's important you get this piece right, os, and lace. Those are going to be chosen based on the person with the pain. Over here are the verb forms themselves. You have duele if it's a singular body part, and you have duelen. So me duele la cabeza, my head hurts, or I have a headache. Te duele la rodilla, your knee hurts, or you have a pain of the knee. A ella le duelen las piernas, her legs hurt. These are just examples, you don't have to do anything with them. On this second slide, you would be inserting text boxes again to be indicating who has what pain. So this one, my hand hurts. The second one, your knees, legs, or feet hurt. You can go with any of those. His foot hurts or his toes hurt. Her shoulder hurts. So all you're going to be doing is putting together the pieces. For the first one, you're going to say me, because it's the yo form. Duele, because it is one hand. And then you're going to go ahead and do that with the other three examples. Hope this helps.